London is really on the edge of a precipice. Property prices have become so high for creative professionals and entrepreneurs, it's almost impossible. Here East was very important because it established a marker much further east than anybody thought that London's innovation community was really going to stretch. Here East set out to bring together the largest institutional innovators and universities with entrepreneurs and small businesses. The Trampery on the Gantry is probably one of the most experimental projects that we've ever been involved in. A set of 21 freestanding timber studios. Each one is going to be rented at a wonderfully low rate to talented artists and designers and creative people from Hackney Wick and Fish Island. It's vital, high quality, affordable spaces are provided to support the people who are already in this neighbourhood. When people move into the studios here at the Trampery on the Gantry, you get your own wonderful wiki house. They're like a blank canvas. There's so much potential for people to modify them and customise them. And they're arranged on 2 streets that are at different levels, stacked on top of each other. It's almost like you've taken a village and arranged it vertically instead of horizontally. We want it to feel like you're part of a village. We're going to create a village hall here as a gathering point for everybody. Nobody has ever seen a complex of creative studios that looks anything like this. And now I just can't wait to bring it to life.